Model, 2016 Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited 1.6 TDCI METALIC blue lovely condition starts drives needs easy repair no VAT bargain. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 81,728. MOT, the 24th of September 2025. Engine, 1560 cc 1.6 TDCI 115 PSC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Still starts and drives perfectly, just the coolant pressurizes after a while. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.